These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. 6 quarts of 530 conventional oil, spin-on oil filter, and a can of MOA engine oil treatment. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, small screwdriver, band type oil filter wrench, funnel, and my drain box. First, I'm going to be opening up the engine oil filler cap. Putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So I'm under the vehicle. I'm going to be removing this oil drain plug right here. Putting back my drain plug. So I'm going to be removing the oil filter. It's going to be on the left side of the engine block, using my band type oil filter wrench to loosen it up. Okay, putting on my oil filter, but before you put them on, check the block. Make sure there's no gasket stuck on the block. If there is, remove it. So clean up the block. Make sure you lubricate your O-ring on your filter before you put it on. That way the filter can slide on when you tighten it. Putting in my engine oil. Adding a can of MOA. Remove my funnel, put in the oil filler cap. Make sure it's tight. You don't want this thing vibrating loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. Just let it run for a little while. Yeah, that should be good enough. Now we can check the oil level. Checking the oil level, it's going to be on the driver's side front of the engine. Just pull the dipstick out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, and check the level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change the engine oil and oil filter. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.